North Korea launches ballistic missile off its east coast. Officials. The US, Japan, Australia, and the Philippines on April 7th will conduct the first full-scale joint naval exercise between the nations in the disputed territories to demonstrate fleet interoperability and provide a show of strength for China. The nations will then hold a summit in which they are expected to announce plans for joint patrols in the area later this year, according to Politico. Chang argued that this kind of scattershot approach to stirring up tensions with neighboring countries is unsurprising as China is probing its neighbors, especially Japan, Taiwan, and the Philippines, and it shifts its attention all the time. China ramped up pressure on the Philippines and then pressure sort of died down in the last couple of days, and now they're ramping up pressure on Taiwan, Chang said. And while all of this is going on, we've now had more than 100 continuous days of Chinese vessels intruding into Japan's waters in the East China Sea around the Senkakus. So, really what they're doing is they are pressuring, and then they'll let up, and they'll go someplace else and pressure at that place, he explained. Chang stressed, though, that the Philippines remain the weakest militarily of those three targets, despite the agreement of mutual defense with the United States. Biden himself, on October 25th, issued a warning from the steps of the White House when the Australian Prime Minister was visiting him that the United States was prepared to use force, so the Chinese just don't believe Biden at all, Chang argued.